You have to make this little gem salad. It is so good. Let's make the dairy-free Dilly Ranch dressing first. You'll need raw cashews soaked overnight, then drained and rinsed. In a blender, add the soaked cashews, fresh filtered water, onion powder, garlic powder, and lemon juice, and blend until smooth. Then add the chives, dill, and parsley, plus a pinch of salt and pepper, and blend just for a short amount of time to incorporate the herbs. To a plate, add your little gem lettuce, cucumbers, radish, and drizzle with your Dilly Ranch dressing, and optional add a sprinkling of hemp seeds and more fresh herbs, and enjoy. Get the full recipe on the blog at healthygrocerygirl.com.